Hi, I'm showing you the easy ways to make an appointment with us here at Magic Hair Company. So you can go to our website, you're going to click that little link that says contact us. You're going to fill this out. This is going to pop up and you're going to fill this out letting us know you want an appointment for what day and what time. We'll get back to you in a timely manner after you send that message, and we'll let you know what's available and to confirm your appointment with you. Another way is to go right back to our website. So go right back to Magic Hair Company and then to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and once you get to the bottom of the page, you're going to put contact us. So after you put contact us, you're going to fill these your name, your email, and your phone number. Once you do that, you're going to leave a brief message telling us what you're looking for. So say, I'm looking for an appointment for this day and time, and we'll get back to you in a timely manner as well. This is going to be a direct email to us, so we'll get back to you via email with this method as well. So you're going to just send that over. You're going to go to this page. It's going to just ask you two little things, and then you're going to confirm, and then you're going to see that message just thanking you. Another way is to call us. We're always available by phone call during business hours, so you can definitely give us a phone call. We're open from Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6, so definitely give us a call to make your appointment. That is the most fastest way, most reliable way, and we look forward either way to for you to contact us so you can get your appointment set up. So feel free to always contact us if you have any questions, concerns, or if you just want to set up an appointment to stop by our beautiful Culver City store. We're here to help you. We look forward to seeing you. Have a wonderful and blessed day.